Hi, Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. Helly Hansen sent me some of their new Manchester winter workwear pants. These are windproof, they're waterproof, they're breathable, and they're easy to put on. They fit over your existing jeans, or maybe you have some other work pants, and they have wonderful side zippers below the knee so that you have no trouble putting them on, securing them. It has a nice Velcro flap down the side to protect the zipper. It also has another Velcro flap to tighten the bottom of the pants against your boots to keep mud, dirt, and snow out. Oh, I want to remind you, these Helly Hansen Manchester pants, they're waterproof and they're going to keep you dry as you work all day long. You're going to love it. I'm telling you. I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.